You're welcome, my friend. Would you like some cake?
Thank you for your hospitality, Adam. Thanks, Adam. You are Kareem.
Kareem?
Yes, Kareem, which means generous.
Kareem, let me try to spell it. It starts with kaf, then ra, then ya, and finally meme.
Excellent job, Adam.
Look at that. That's an ant.
Yes, that's an ant.
By the way, Sammy, what does ant mean in Arabic?
It means namla.
Namla. Hi all. Today we're going to learn 3 letters that share the same articulation point. Lam, ra, and noon. This is how we write it. Lam. How to pronounce the letters with short vowels. Fath, kasr, and dam. La, li, lu. This is how we write lam at the beginning of the word, like this example. Lawn, which means color. This is how we write lam at the middle of the word, like this example. Qalb, which means heart. And this is how we write lam at the end of the word, like this example. Kasal, which means laziness. Let's see the next letter. Ra. How to pronounce the letters with short vowels. Fath, kasr, and dam. Ra. Ri. Ru. This is how we write ra at the beginning of the word, like this example. Rabb, which means God. And this is how we write ra at the middle of the word, like this example. Harb, which means war. And this is how we write ra at the end of the word, like this example. Fajr, which means dawn. Let's see the next letter. Noon. This is how we write it. Noon. How to pronounce the letters with short vowels. Fath, kasr, and dam. Na. Ni. Nu. This is how we write noon at the beginning of the word, like this example. Namla, which means ant. This is how we write noon at the middle of the word, like this example. Bint, which means girl. And this is how we write noon at the end of the word, like this example. Thaman, which means price.